Hello everybody, and I'm back!
I'm back.
Hi, welcome to Sage and Sand. My name is Anastacia, and on this channel we will make your apartment more cozy, more stylish and more you. So let's get into it. Today we will talk about the items that I would recommend you to consider buying from Ikea. It's mostly decor, light. Yeah, Ikea, when you will sponsor my video, huh? So after making some research, I also found really cool new positions which I will talk about. So here I will share with you the name of this item because I'm not that good at Swedish. So it's a wall containers. If you sort in the garbage, I think it's a really nice containers to use for plastic or for paper, for anything like that. So you can just hang them on the wall and it will make everything neat, and you can use this one color. I think it comes only in this beige gray color. Regarding the style, of course it will be really well for Scandi interiors, but I think it's quite universal. The only thing I wouldn't go with is like very classy style, very like art deco or Hollywood. I mean, it's self-explanatory, so it's more for minimalistic environments, for more like simple ones. And I think it's a great opportunity to save some space and use it with a practical approach. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Next thing is in my wish list personally, because I'm in love with this lamp. Basically, I think they took the design from Andromeda lamp and transformed it so it's homage to this famous design lamp from 70s, I believe. And this is donut lamp. So it comes, for now I see it comes in the orange color only, and it's made of glass, which is much better than Andromeda lamp, because Andromeda lamp made from plastic, yes, but it looks so glossy and shiny you cannot tell, but it's really lightweight and it's made of plastic. But the donut lamp is made from glass. It looks quite legit. It's really nice piece of interior. Unlike the Andromeda lamp, you can mount it on the wall, also put it on the commode or some storage units, on the table, coffee table, everywhere. So it's very universal, and I would say it's a good fit for many interior styles. Literally everything you could imagine, I can fit this lamp inside. Maybe the ones, the rustical, this kind of like boho style where everything is super neutral in tone and shade, yes, might not be the best fit. But I also heard a little rumor that Ikea will come up with different colors for this VARMBLIXT lamp. Next chair is very retro, and I really admire the design, especially that it's really practical. It's a denim chair. I wish they would have this chair before, because it's such a great thing if someone comes to visit you and they want to stay for a night. So this is perfect because it transforms into bed. It can be transformed into chair. You can buy multiple of them and stack them so it will look like a couch. And I think it's also very stylish. Yes, it's a little bit retro vibes, but I really love this design. I think it's really great and quite durable as well, because it's a denim fabric and it looks legit. I saw it in Ikea and I really like this item. Of course, they have different chairs that are really cool as well, and it depends on your style and liking. This one comes only in one color, but I think it's very universal color. You can use it for many interiors. There was a chair like this, like retro chair, and I think it's completely copied in this design. Yes, it's not cheap at all. It's quite high quality, and I don't think it's too heavy to like to take with you when you're moving around. So let's get to also the chair. And this one, I believe you can use also outdoors as well as indoors. And despite its metal, it's so comfy. I don't know how they did it. It's like Ikea magic, but it's, first of all, it's really bright designs. So I'm talking about SKÅLBODA's chair. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, as always. I love this chair in orange. And yeah, I like orange color, yeah, you can tell. But I love this chair in orange, but of course it comes also now in white and black designs, and you can put a pillow on this chair with any design you like, with any pattern. It will also complement this chair. This metal elements, it creates the transparency effect because it's so lightweight, and even though it's really huge in the size, it's not small, but it still will fit into small spaces as well, and it will not take too much space. So for the small apartments, I think it's really nice.
Nice.
So we are in the living room area now, so let's move to the coffee table. This is, I just spontaneously found out, I haven't seen it before. It reminds me one really popular design firm that also creates pieces from chrome and chipboard. So I think it's really beautiful design. So this is the name of this chair, and it's only in a white and chrome design. I think it's really stylish. I think it's perfect for mid-century modern design or for minimalistic design. I think you can implement it in many interior styles, and even for art deco or Hollywood I think you can manage this. But I think it's quite nice table. It looks also quite like legit, quite durable. Yeah, I haven't seen it in person. I don't know how good the quality is, because with IKEA sometimes some furniture pieces are not that good in quality, especially when you see them in person. But this one from the pictures on the website looks legit. It's actually one you can see behind me, the yellow trolley. It's something that I fell in love. I saw it in one interior and I was like, the color is so unique. It's not like vivid yellow, it's like more like muted, I would say, shade of yellow, and it's amazing. Also so practical. I use it for some kitchen supplies or like for everything, for vegetables and for some also other items, so you can use it in any way and it still look really stylish. You can move it around. Sometimes I use it as a tripod for my phone when I'm filming videos, but I mean, it's so universal, it's so perfect. You can use it in any room you like, in the bathroom, in the hallway, in the kitchen, in the living room, in the bedroom. So they come in different colors. So now unfortunately I cannot see it in yellow on the website, but they also come in two sizes, small and bigger one. I have a bigger one, and the colors that I see on the website right now is muted blue, muted green, like khaki green, and black and white, of course. Select any color you like, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed with this design, and it's quite easy to assemble as well. So this is big kudos to IKEA for this design. And also you can buy the NORRÅVA board on top, so you can use it as a cutting board or just like as a tray, and like so many uses of this one, and it fits perfectly for this particular trolley. Next one is the paper lampshades. So this is actually what IKEA is really famous for. Okay, I didn't have a memory on my phone, but now I freed a little bit. So let's continue. The lamp that I purchased for my house. First of all, this is really budget friendly. I think it's also eco-friendly because it's made of paper. It's very lightweight. I think it's super stylish and can elevate any interior. And this is a paper shade from IKEA. So I'm talking about the new one. I think it's new one, GULLSUDARE. So it's a really nice design, super easy to install, have a lot of sheer light, and I think it's perfect. Example, you can select any other designs from this category, so they have so many different sizes and shades, and I think it's really perfect if you're on budget, if you're a student, and if you want a stylish light apartment, not just like light bulbs just hanging from the ceiling like I had in my previous videos. So yeah, let's move to the next one. Is again lamp. So I think IKEA is really great for lamps, so you will understand, because I think most of the items I'm talking about it's a lighting. So it's a ring light for your mobile phone, so for your smartphone, or when you have some calls, the video calls. It's a really nice light. I tested it also in IKEA, and I would say the lamp is really good, and as I understand, the lamp could be separated from the phone holder and you can use it from different perspectives. So for computer, when you have a video calls, or just holding your phone when you're doing something, I think it's really great lamp. The design is not the best, yeah, but it's really nice practical thing to have at home, especially if you have a lot of calls or you're a blogger. Next item is for home office as well. It's a monitor stand. So this is actually such a cool idea, because you get 3 products for the price of one. So you have 2 sizes, even 3 sizes of stands. They can be also unmounted, so you can use them at the same time separately. So it's really universal thing to have, and it's quite the basic design, so nothing crazy. I think it will fit into any setup, yeah, I think it's a great purchase from IKEA for your home office, and I am planning to purchase this as well. So the next one also for home office, I have it but not here in my hometown, the SKÅDIS. So this is the system for organizing for your desk, your kitchen, for the basement, whatever. I think it's really perfect customizable item. It's not that expensive. You can mount it on the wall, you can mount it on the table, and it looks nice. Comes now in so many different colors. You can have it in like natural cork kind of finish, then you can have it in black and white, and I also saw in pink, I believe, in the shop. But you can also color it in any color you like. This is also cool, I think. And you can have any kind of different accessories for this board, which you can use in any way possible, and it's so cool. The other item, I like the design of it. I'm not particularly thinking that it's very practical at home. Is this basket from Ikea for 10 euros only. So this is the name. So they come in pink, green, white and black colors. I think the colors also so nice. My favorite is pink, and I think it's really nice touch for your interior. You can put anything there, so you can also do this little shopping. You can put some items, some snacks, some books, and you just go and you like, and it looks like you have some shopping experience at home, so it's nice not to overspend. Yeah, you just need to buy this basket. Next one is light. Again and again I will talk about light. I would buy every second light item they have in Ikea, because I think it's a great design. Okay, this one is a new BLOMPRAKT, so it's light with Bluetooth speaker. So they have many lights like that with a Bluetooth speaker, but here I like it because it's so seamless, you cannot really see it. And the lamp design is also bomb, and the color is also so nice. It's like off-white. It says here it's beige, but it's like gray, beige, white color. They have also pale blue or like baby blue, very nice as well, and black one. And I don't know the quality of the speaker, unfortunately, but it looks legit. And the price only 50 euros. So next one is FADO. It's the light. It's like a little sphere of light. It's so nice, so stylish, even though it's cheap, even though I think it's the plastic one, but it looks so nice. And you can use also the smart bulb, and it can be different colors of light and different options. I don't have smart light, but I think you can adjust a lot of things there, and it's just the perfect piece. I think it's so stylish. So we will not hang here for a long time. Let's move to the another one. It's a standing light, so it's like a torchère. I love this design. It's more on the luxurious style design, I would say, but I'm so surprised how good it looks in so many types of interiors, except I think loft is not the best one. I think it's also a little bit of replica on famous lamp. Nevertheless, it's really great design. Also chrome metal, small spheres of light, 3 pieces, and the collection consists of standing light, of the chandelier, so you can select any you want, but I believe that proportion wise and also how it looks in the room, the torchère is really the best one from this collection, and it's also not that expensive. In Germany it's just 80 euros, so I would really think about this one if you want some standing lights. I think it's also such an underrated piece of interior. It looks so cozy when you have something like this, much cozier than the chandelier. So today is not the perfect day for filming because my phone is continue to stress me out. So this lamp, the standing light, is really stylish. Consider it, please. And next we're moving to, so this extension cable, this is the name. They come in really bright designs, really colorful, very stylish for me, and I like this approach. Like, so I think Ikea thought, why we always hiding them when we can make them in such a cool, nice design that people would like to show them off. Absolutely not design thing, but it's really looks like a design piece for me, especially. So these HORNFELS, it comes in yellow and in the black color. I think both look great, but my favorite is yellow. So there is also one in the green color. The name is SKOTAT and it's like in the really muted grayish green color. You can mount it also on your table, under your table, or like in it's so many ways you can use it. So both are great. Also talking about the practical, this one I would actually hide, but it's so practical. So this is laundry bag with 2 departments made from the fabric, and it looks like you can wash it as well. It's on the like metallic pipes. Laundry bag with a frame, it's what we need, especially I think for big family. You can purchase multiple of them, put them in the storage space or like in the wardrobe or whatsoever, and it's so cool. And the last one is actually not something very important. I think the vases in Ikea are quite good, and they are simple, they are not expensive, but they look really stylish. I would recommend you to look for this one. It's really nice, also muted mustardy yellow color. I think it's a really nice piece for your interior, very modern, very stylish, and it will also go well with many interiors. Of course, they have many designs in the same style, but they are really vivid. I prefer this one because it's still bright, it's still not the very neutral color, but it doesn't stand out so much, and you can use with and combine with so many different colors in your interior. So I think this one is really great option to take. Of course, there are other categories which I would suggest also to look for. So this is bed sheets or like the textile, but please be careful and go to the Ikea and touch them, because there are the cheap ones, I wouldn't recommend them, it doesn't feel so good, but the more expensive ones are really nice quality. Mirrors are also really nice in Ikea. They are high quality, round mirrors, any shapes of mirrors. If you have some more ideas or tips what you usually buy in Ikea, please write down in the comments. Please don't forget, okay, don't forget to like my video, because I tried my best, okay? I took my time, and it's for free. And have a lovely rest of the day. Bye bye.